Welcome to the free Kriya Yoga School. In this video, we'll be giving you a video tour of the free Kriya Yoga School. Right here is our upcoming events. As you can see, we have a Soul Talks live stream coming up in 20 hours. We have all our pinned posts at the top. Right there is our 2 weekly Kriya Yoga Q&A live streams. So if you want to make a comment, you just scroll down to the bottom. You write some text in there, and then you find some emojis. We'll do some prayer hands. We'll do the Om symbol, and we'll find a nice GIF. Elmo dancing looks very beautiful, and then we'll hit enter, and it'll be uploaded. So that is how you post on our free Kriya Yoga School. Also, if you want to upgrade and join our Kriya Yoga Masterclass, you just click on the link or go to kriyayogamasterclass.com and upgrade. We have a $200 lifetime membership. So if you want to upgrade and join us, just go to kriyayogamasterclass.com. We'll scroll down and you see we have a very interactive community with thousands of videos posted by all of our members from all around the world about how they're practicing Kriya Yoga, how they're walking the spiritual path. So a very interactive community. So our first category is events. We have 2 live Q&A live streams every week. Our next category is Babaji Daily Quotes. You see all of our daily Babaji quotes. The next one is all of our Kriya Yoga videos. You see all of our Kriya Yoga videos in that category. We have a Mantra Monday. Every Monday we have Mantra Monday. We have a new mantra. So you see our Mantra Monday category. So that is our community tab. The next tab we'll go to is our classroom. So when you click on the classroom tab, you go to start here. And we have 11 beginner Kriya Yoga mini courses. So you see all 11 of them right there. We'll start with the first one that you're watching right now, video tour, how to use the free Kriya Yoga School. The second one is who is Ved Guru Dev, who is my guru. Third one is what is Kriya Yoga. The fourth one is a beginner guide to practicing Kriya Yoga. The fifth one is how to sit like a real yogi. So a good video, how to sit like a real yogi. It comes with PDF notes. So if you click on the PDF note, you could see all the techniques in text form. So that is our fifth one. Our sixth beginner mini course is how to do complete yogic breath, Purna Sudhi. Our seventh one is cat, cow, tiger asanas. Our eighth one is the serpent pose, Pambu asana. So if you want to watch it, just click on the play button and it'll play instantly. So our next one is our ninth beginner mini course, the sun salutation pose, Kriya Surya Namaskar. Our 10th beginner mini course is corpse pose Shavasana. And our 11th beginner mini course is how to do Hamsa meditation, which is a very profound meditation, Hamsa. So you just click on the play button and it will play instantly. And you could follow along with guided meditations with Ved Guru Dev. So that is our classroom. So you see all of our classes. When you make posts and you like, then you could upgrade and unlock new classrooms. The next tab is our calendar. So you see our first event is Kriya Yoga Soul Talks, live from a Thailand beach. Usually goes about 3 hours. It's in Bangkok time and my time zone, but it'll be in your time zone wherever you're at. Our next event is Kriya Yoga Live Q&A Satsang. Every Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Usually goes about 3 hours. And our next event is our weekly Kriya Yoga School. So our weekly class, if you want to upgrade to that, it's exclusive for all of our Kriya Yoga Masterclass members. Just go to kriyayogamasterclass.com. Next is our members tab. You see all of our members there. And that is our members tab. Next is our maps tab. You see all the location pins all around the world. We have thousands of members practicing Kriya Yoga 100% free all around the world. So this is our map tab, and you see if anybody is in your location. Click on their link, and maybe you could find somebody to practice Kriya Yoga in your location. The next tab is our leaderboard. You see all the different levels. So how you level up and unlock classes, you like, comment, post emojis, post GIFs, and you'll level up. You'll unlock levels in our free Kriya Yoga school. This is our About tab. You see free Kriya Yoga, authentic teachings, Kriya Yoga, 2 live streams per week. We are the #1 authentic yoga community on SKOOL. So you see we rank very high in discovery, #1. We have thousands of members practicing Kriya Yoga 100% free all around the world. If you want to send a SKOOL DM, find a member that you want to send a DM to and click on their name and write a beautiful SKOOL DM. You can add some emojis, you can add some GIFs, whatever you resonate with. Find a nice GIF. Let's do Elmo dancing again. And click enter, and you just send a SKOOL DM. The bell at the top is all the notifications. So find a post you like, click on the notification, and it will take you right to that notification. So that is how you use the free Kriya Yoga School. This is a video tour how to use the free Kriya Yoga School. So go to freekriyayogamasterclass.com, click on the yellow join group button, and you'll be in.